Please notice that I am wearing a plaid hoodie today over my tank top. And I'm just feeling kind of lumberjack-like. I'm not going to sing the lumberjack song, it's very tempting. But you know, Monty Python was the first one to address bending gender norms there. Instead, I'm going with The Pirates of Penzance, my favorite operetta, Gilbert and Sullivan, from childhood. And I've just put together two little lines from I'm the very model of a modern major general, which I'm going to do a spoken word, not song, because you do not want to hear me sing. And I'm going to give them here. I am the very model of a modern lumbersexual. I know I'm a woman, but gender norms are non-verifiable. That's all I got. Thank you.